Okay, guys, here's the tutorial on Son of Your Father by Elton John. Now, check out the first riff. Okay, that's all based around an E-flat chord. You see how I do the fourth there? That's the fourth. And I drag the third. Such a nice riff. Listen to it slow. Once again. I'll catch a train line in the morning. Now, notice how I'm not hitting a third. We'll talk about that later. This is an E-flat 7. I'll catch a train line in the morning with your lead man bushel said. A-flat 7. Once again, I'm staying away from these thirds. You hear how that throws it? Lead man bushel said. He had further heard the cock crow. Once again, B-flat 7. No third. As he stumbled out the shed. And that little harmonica, whatever the harmonica does. And then same with this. It's all the same here, guys. E-flat 7. Blind Joseph came and told him with the A-flat 7. And a B-flat 7, $20. A-flat back to E-flat. And then B-flat 7. Then Bushel saw a hook. A-flat placed in Joseph's hands. E-flat, he died my brother. B-flat, discuss this like a man. And an E-flat to an A-flat. And the words are, it's no good, you're getting angry. And here's a nice thing. Okay, so that's E-flat major, B-flat with a D, C minor, B-flat, and here's your A-flat 2 beats to E-flat, to a B-flat, to back to the E-flat. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Pursuing your convictions like a hermit in a cage. And now, just straight triads. The Son of Your Father. Try a little bit harder. The progression is E-flat, F, A-flat, E-flat, E-flat, F, and then this B-flat 7 without the third. And same thing. Blood and water, bricks and mortar, before you were home. Now listen to the anticipation. Son of your father, so treat me as your own. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye now.